Today we will read another story about different kinds of houses. Look at this house. What do you think it is made of? Would you like to live in a house like this? Later we will use the new words and skills we learned to read about some more houses. First, we're going to play a game called Act It Out. I am going to use one of your high-frequency words in a sentence. You have to guess which word it is and then act out the sentence. Ready? Let's do a practice one. I pour water into a glass. What's the high-frequency word? Water. And you should be pretending to pour water into a glass. Now you are going to tell me what the high-frequency word is and act out this sentence. Ready? I gave my mother a hug. The roof on the house leaked. Here's another pencil. I rode a horse over the bridge. Do you own a bike? My favorite shirt color is white. Please read your book. Now let's play with the sounds in words. We've learned how to segment or break words into their individual sounds. For this activity, I will say a word and you will tell me the sounds you hear in that word. The first one is speak. What sounds do you hear in the word speak? E, k. Did you say sp, e, k? If you did, you're exactly right. Okay, tell me the sounds you hear in this word. Toe. You should have said t-o. Now tell me the sounds you hear in the word see. E is correct. Now tell me the sounds you hear in the word check. You should have said ch, e, k. What sounds do you hear in the word this? Good. V, I, s. What sounds do you hear in the word shut? Sh, t. Very good. Seahorse begins with the s sound. The letter S can also be an ending. Look at the end of a word. The letter S can also stand for the Z sound. Let's review the long vowel sounds we learned this week. Eagle begins with the long E sound, E. Say eagle, E. Ice cream begins with the long I sound. Say ice cream, I. And ocean begins with the long O sound. Say ocean, O. Look at the pictures of the bird and the nest. A nest is a home for a bird. Now look at the top word. This is the word bird. Say bird. That means one. We've also learned that you can add S to nouns or naming words to mean more than one. The second word is birds. Say the word birds. This word means more than one bird. Now look at the bottom word. When a special mark called an apostrophe is added before the S, It shows that the noun owns something. You can explain that the nest belongs to the bird by saying the bird's nest. Say that with me. The bird's nest. The apostrophe and S changes the meaning of bird to show that the bird owns or has something. So what does the bird have? A nest, correct. Now let's look at the pictures of the boy and the baseball bat. Look at the top word. This is the word boy. Say the word boy. Remember that we can add S to nouns to mean more than one. The second word is boys. Say the word boys. This word means more than one boy. Now look at the bottom word. When we add the special mark called an apostrophe before the S, it shows that the noun owns something. You can explain that the bat belongs to the boy by saying the boy's bat. Say that with me. The boy's bat. The apostrophe and S changes the meaning of boy to show that the boy owns or has something. So what does the boy have? A bat, correct. Now you are ready to read grass, mud, logs, and sod, and houses that can go. But first, it's time to go get your journal so you can write some words. I will say a word and a sentence that uses that word. Listen carefully and use your best handwriting. Number 1 is the word so. I gave my brother a cookie so he would be happy. So. Number 2, go. I like to go to the playground. Go. Number 3 is no. No dogs are allowed. No. Number 4, me. My dad takes me to the park. Me. Number 5 is where. Where do you live? Where? Number 6, who? Who takes you to school? Who? Number 7, what? What is your name? What? Number 8, when? When is your birthday? When? Number 9 is why. Why did the boy go away? Why? And number 10 is how. How do you do that problem? How? Now you want to take a picture of your words and turn it into your teacher. Have a good day.